Typhur has now put in a pizza preset, and you'll notice that once selected, the Dome2 now has a preheat function, something that the Dome1 doesn't have. I had to organize these pepperonis a little better, my OCD just couldn't. Typhur recommends not using the crisper tray for pizza. I'm using the Typhur preset here, which actually cuts the time and temp down considerably from the box directions. Let's see if it works. I would say that the top looks excellent. Let's cut it up and check out the bottom. The bottom is absolute perfection, and I think that clears up all the questions concerning frozen pizza. Just put it on the default setting and let it rip. Next, I wanted to make some homemade pizza, and I kind of half-weighed this. I'm using some store-bought pizza dough I picked up from Aldi, which I usually have success with, but this dough did not want to cooperate with me, and it was a pain in the butt to stretch. The manual says 390 degrees for homemade pizza. This pizza came out amazing. I will definitely be doing this again with my homemade dough. The bottom crust was absolute perfection, and in these pizza tests, you can see just how great the addition of this bottom burner is for making pizza. Absolute perfection from top to bottom. Listen to this crunch. If you're looking for an air fryer that can handle pizza, look no further.